Are you struggling with prostate issues, stress and anxiety? Do you want to improve your urogenital system and channelize your sexual energy into spiritual energy? Then you are watching the right video. In this video, I will explain you each and every detail about Siddhasana. What is Siddhasana? How to do Siddhasana correctly? Different variations and modifications of Siddhasana. That is how we can make Siddhasana comfortable. Amazing benefits of Siddhasana. Precautions and contraindications of Siddhasana. That is who should not practice Siddhasana. Time duration for Siddhasana. How long you should practice Siddhasana. You will not find any detailed video like this on Siddhasana on internet. So watch the video till end. Hello everyone, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I am Sukhinder Singh and welcome to Yogachaitanya, a channel where you will find content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. What is Siddhasana? The Sanskrit word Siddhasana is a combination of two words, Siddh and Asana. The Sanskrit word Siddh means power or perfection. The word Siddhi is derived from Siddh and refers to psychic powers achieved through yogic practices. Siddhi includes clairvoyance and telepathy, etc. As per Hatha Yoga Pradipika, the yogi who meditates on self or Atma, takes moderate and pure food and practice Siddhasana for 12 years, attain perfection or Siddhi. For females, this asana is known as Siddha Yoni Asana. I will cover Siddha Yoni Asana in the next video. In English, Siddhasana is known with many different names like adept pose or accomplished pose. What are the benefits of Siddhasana? Benefits of Siddhasana. Siddhasana is an excellent hip opener. It opens the hips and improves the flexibility of the pelvic area and enhances the health of your reproductive organs. Siddhasana also helps to relieve problems related to the prostate, that is urination and bladder control. The regular practice of Siddhasana strengthens the pelvis, knees and ankle joints. It reduces the stiffness of the hips and the muscles of the groins and thighs. Further, it increases the blood circulation around the lower spine and abdomen, groin and legs. Siddhasana helps to stimulate the lower two chakras, the energy centers. It activates the Mooladhara chakra, the root center, and the Swadhisthana chakra, the sacral energy center. Siddhasana redirects the energy from the lower psychic energy centers upward through the spine, stimulating the brain and calming the entire nervous system. Siddhasana is the most suitable pose for pranayama and meditation practice. It reduces stress and anxiety by improving mindfulness and focus. The regular practice of Siddhasana helps to maintain control over reproductive hormones, which is necessary for maintaining brahmacharya for spiritual purposes. As per yogic texture, if you master Siddhasana, it helps to develop psychic abilities like clairvoyance, clairaudience, and remote healing, etc. During the practice of Siddhasana, when you press your heel into the perineum, it stimulates the Mooladhara chakra and the three nadis, that is Pingala, Ida and Sushumna. It helps to purify all 72,000 nadis, that is energy channels of the body. Precautions and contraindications for Siddhasana. Who should not do Siddhasana? People struggling with sciatica or sacral infection should not practice Siddhasana. If you have any injury in your hamstring, quadriceps or calf muscle, then you should avoid Siddhasana. Siddhasana is not recommended to those persons who have severe knee arthritis. If you have recently undergone any knee, ankle, foot or hip surgery, then you should not practice Siddhasana. If you have lower back pain, then avoid this asana. You can try the modification of this asana to support your lower back. A lot of people are complaining about obesity and weight gain after the pandemic due to change in lifestyle and schedules. Yogachaitanya's slimming and weight loss herbal tea is based on a unique formula of 16 herbs that are used to control weight and boost metabolism. This tea helps to lose weight, boost metabolism, detoxification, slows aging, improve digestion and elevate moods. Our wellness teas are available at 50% discount and free shipping in India. You can use coupon code YCU25 to get an additional discount of 5%. This discount offer is valid for limited time, so order it now. Link to the weight loss and slimming herbal tea and coupon code is available in the description tab. To practice Siddhasana, sit in seated straight leg position with straight spine and straight legs. Now bend your right leg. Place the sole of the right foot onto the inner thigh of the left leg, pressing your heel into the perineum, the area between the anus and the genitals, like this. Now Bend your left leg. Place the sole of the left foot in between the thigh, the right thigh and the right calf, placing the toes in between them. And place your ankles just above each other, like this. Now you can move the toes in between the calf and the right thigh, like this. Adjust your legs. Now move your right hand in between the gap of the left thigh and the left calf. Catch the big toe of the right foot. Pull it up so that it is interlocked in between the left calf and the left thigh. Adjust your body, placing a hand on the knees in a desired mudra. Roll your shoulders back and down, spine straight, chest lifted. Close your eyes and meditate in this posture called Siddhasana. If you want to learn each and every detail about yoga mudras and other meditation postures, then watch these playlists. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. How can we make Siddhasana comfortable? Modification 1. If you feel discomfort in your hips and your hips are too stiff to be in Siddhasana, then you can opt for this modification. For this modification, we can use a folded blanket or a yoga block to place it under the hips. So let's practice it. Now take a folded blanket, this much. Place it where you want to practice Siddhasana. For example, I want to practice Siddhasana over here. Now come and sit on top of this blanket so that your bones, sitting bones, are coming on the top of this blanket. Now, as I told you earlier, bend your right leg. Place the heel of the right leg into the perineum, touching the sole of the right foot onto the left thigh, inner thigh. Similarly, bend the left leg. Place the toes in between the right thigh and the right calf. Ankles on the top of each other. Adjust your posture. Pull the right toe up. Come into Siddhasana. Hands on knees. Into Siddhasana. Spine straight, shoulders rolled back, chest lifted. Now this is much more comfortable in comparison to the previous original version, and you will love it. Version 2 of this posture, again, instead of using blanket, you can use a yoga block, which is much more higher and quite firm. Let's do it. To practice this variation of Siddhasana, place a yoga block where you want to practice Siddhasana. Now come and sit at the top of this yoga block with legs straight. Now bend your right leg, place the right heel into the perineum, close to the perineum, so that the right foot is touching the inner left thigh. Similarly, bend the left leg and place the left ankle on the top of the right and placing your toes of the left foot in between the right thigh and the right calf. Now pull the right toe up in between the left thigh and the left calf. Hands on the knees, shoulders rolled back, spine straight, chest lifted into Siddhasana. Wow, this is much more comfortable in comparison to the blanket version also. Try all of them and let me know which one of them you liked. Comment below. Variation 2, Ardha Siddhasana. This variation of Siddhasana is very useful for those who have stiff knees and they cannot place the left ankle exactly at the top of the right ankle. And it is very painful for them. So let's practice this version. Now from the seated straight leg position, bend your right leg. Place the right heel into the perineum, pressing the sole of the right feet into the calf of the left thigh. Now bend your left leg. Instead of placing the left ankle exactly on the top of the right ankle, we will place the left foot in front of the right, like this. Place the hands on the knees, roll your shoulders back and down, spine straight, into Ardha Siddhasana. This is a very nice posture as a preparation for Purna Siddhasana. Try this also. Modification 3 if your knees hurt. In Siddhasana, when we bend our legs like this, it places a lot of stress on the knees. And it is painful for many people who cannot do this position, especially the plantar flexion of the knee. In this case, you can use a cushion to place it in between your knees. Now for this, take a belt, fold it double so that and make sure the belt is straight. Now when you bend the right leg, place this belt under the knee over here, right leg, like this. Now pull the knee over here. This will create a space because it will pull the calf up. It will create a space over here in between the thigh and the knee. Then place the heel into the perineum like this. Now again you can pull this belt. It will create a space over here. This is quite comfortable. Then you can do the same on the other leg also. Try this variation also. Modification 4. If your knees are really high off the ground. Now in some of the cases when the hips are very stiff, the knees are not touching the ground as they are right now. For some people, when they practice Siddhasana and they bend the right leg to start, then the position of the knee is something like this. From the seated straight leg position, when they bend the leg, the right leg, and place the heel into the perineum, the knee is exactly like this. Or when they try to do this, the knees are like over here, this position. So when your hips are stiff and the position is something like this, then you can use the yoga belt to wrap it around here. As I told you in this video of Sukhasana, go and watch this video. This will help you a lot. Time duration for Siddhasana. How long you should do Siddhasana. Start with few minutes and then gradually increase the time duration. Make a habit of always sitting in Siddhasana for meditation and pranayama practice. This habit will prepare your body for long sitting in Siddhasana, but do not strain. If you want to improve your breathing and learn each and every detail about breathing exercise and pranayama, then watch this playlist. The link is available in the I button and the description tab. I hope you like this video and it added some value to life. If you like our work, please like, share and comment. We are open for the feedbacks. We have detailed videos coming on different type of pranayama and yoga asanas after this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, take care, God bless you all.